want to specifically acknowledge our friends from Spectrum, which is Meralco's subsidiary and renewable energy provider, who we've worked extremely close with. This project we signed a contract for less than 8 months ago, and to get to this point in such a short period of time, it is an amazing undertaking, and I thank you and your team for all of your hard work.
There are savings that City of Dreams Manila will be having from this installation, which is like 3% of their total energy consumption. But for us, for Meralco, it's really our trust to help customers look for a more sustainable way of supplying their energy.